hati je kan. Naik kereta ni tak tahu siapa punya hantar kat tepi sini. Ha?
I bought you a new car, baby.
Tak tahu malu lah ni.
We sold the Myvi, we take this one.
No, thank you very much. Don't you see? All broken.
It's okay lah, cantik. I love this car.
Okay, you buy
Sell the
then.
Myvi lah. Sell the Myvi, we buy this.
I think this one cannot even go Cameron Highland.
Can, no problem lah. Can, no problem.
Can ah?
I love it. Cantik.
Check the mileage.
Only until 80 kilometers per hour.
Alamak.
Maximum.
80 km per hour. Oh la la. Ah my goodness. Very slow like siput this.